If you are a high-tech company that is thinking about manufacturing in Mexico, look no further than Tetakawi's Roca Fuerte manufacturing community. Roca Fuerte is home to the largest concentration of aerospace component manufacturers in all of Mexico, and home to Mexico's only in-park advanced manufacturing training center. Roca Fuerte attracts skilled and technical talent for manufacturers who must achieve the highest level of quality while operating at the lowest possible cost. More than just an industrial park, Roca Fuerte is a turnkey environment for manufacturers to launch, operate, and thrive in Mexico. How does it work? First, we provide you with move-in ready or built-to-suit industrial space in a safe and secure environment. Then we provide you with on-site services to help you build and keep a productive workforce, ensure that your goods cross the border seamlessly, comply with government regulation, and reduce your operating costs. By taking all of these functions off of your plate, you are able to focus on manufacturing your products without having to worry about the complexities of doing business in Mexico. For over 30 years, Tetakawi has been helping companies from around the world reach their potential in Mexico. Ready to become the next success story? Roca Fuerte has the infrastructure, services, and people to make it happen.